Hello everyone. Now you don't have to use the old VAE file anymore. There is a new VAE file for Flux and Z Image Turbo and it's called UltraFlux VAE. Just look at this comparison on the screen. Here is an image of a woman. The one on the left is generated with the normal VAE and the one on the right side is generated with the new UltraFlux VAE. It's exact same prompt, exact same seed. I did not change the model. I did not add a LoRa and I did not even change the sampler. So you can see the difference clearly. Look at the iPhone in the woman's hand. With the normal VA, it looks blurry and soft. But when I move the slider to the UltraFlux side, you can see the image looks sharp and full of details. So just change one file and the difference is huge. To get more details and make it sharp, you don't need any extra steps. There is no need for a high-res fix that takes time and uses extra VRAM. So many users who tried this have shared their experience online. They said they see increased details in Z image when they use the UltraFlux VAE. So in this video, I'll show you exactly where to get it. So first, let's understand what is happening here. You might be asking, what is VAE? So think of it like a translator. Your AI model speaks in computer noise. It creates a complex map of data that we can't see. The VAE is the translator that turns that noise into the final pixels you see on your screen. The UltraFlux VAE is different. It was trained specifically on 4K images. It knows how to translate those tiny details like the eyelashes, the skin pores, and the texture of a sweater without making them blurry. So how do we get it? I searched deep on Hugging Face to find this. The file is hosted by a user named Owen777. I'll put the link in the description so you can find it easily. So when you go there, you look inside the VAE folder, you'll see a file there. It's around 300 MB. You just need to download that saved and source file. Once you have it, you need to put it in the right place. Open your ComfyUI folder and then go to the models folder. Then find the folder named VA and you can paste the file right here. So I like to rename mine to something simple like UltraFlux VAE saved and source. This helps me find it easily later when I'm working in ComfyUI. Now open your standard Flux or Z image workflow. You do not need to build anything new. Just look for the load VA node and in the load VA node, click the list and select the new UltraFlux file. That's it. You are ready to generate. So I generated an example first with the old VA file to show you the exact difference. And here my prompt is vibrant 1960s close-up of her head portrait face of a woman outside in a garden. Dreamy scene. She is wearing a blue dress, 3/4 turn upper body, curly red hair, gold earrings, polka dot dress. Behind her is a sheep and a wooden fence. The clouds in the sky are dreamy and lifelike, captured on vintage film color graded film. And as a result, you can see the result looks good, but wait until you see the new one. Now I disconnected the preview node and added a new one so we can compare them side by side. Here everything else is the same. I just changed the VA file from the list and hit generate. Now compare both of them. Look at the difference. If you look closely at the old VA result, it looks a little blurry. But with the new VA, it became sharp and details pop out. It looks much better. So this is a simple trick, but it improves your quality instantly. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you. Bye-bye.